Hey everybody, it's Steve, and I'm here to show another theme. This one's called Findeo, and it's a real estate IDX theme, and it can also work without IDX. If you're in a country where they don't have IDX, then we can go ahead and do that as well. It's just the difference is just a manual insertion of listings. So let's go ahead and take a look at this theme. We can change the colors out to whatever theme colors you want. So if you have a theme palette, we can use that. And what I like about this theme is it has a nice call to action in the top here. It doesn't have any pictures of houses, but it has a couple who are really excited and happy about getting into a property. Now we can put in some featured property images here if you have an image of a property you like, something like that. And then we have the search queries. We can make this into anything you want. So if you have an IDX feed from IDX Broker, for example, that's my favorite, we can drop that in. If you have other different IDX provider, let's talk about it, and we'll discover what we can do with it. And maybe compare and contrast, too, the differences between the different theme IDX providers. So let's go down a little bit. Newly added, so you can put in your featured listings, for example, in here. And this is a little slider view, which is kind of nice. I do like that. Notice how it has that little blue hue that comes in as well. And go down a little bit. What are you looking for? Apartment, houses, condos, garages. We can change this out to whatever you want to change it out to. And we can change these call to actions as well here, these little images. So then we go down here, and these are, in this section, let's say you're you have a primary city, then you have other secondary cities that are surrounding your city, and you want to be able to get people to go to those particular cities and search quicker. Well, you can put New York or Las Vegas or Miami or whatever if you're in different areas, or as a franchise perhaps, or if you're in a location as most realtors are, you can put the other city names here and just have images that reflect those cities, and have, when you click on it, it goes to a search to search for those particular cities. Tips and articles, we can change that to whatever you want to call it, favorite to-dos and things to do in X city, whatever the city name is. And these are little posting articles, so we can drop in some posting articles, and they can be articles that you've written that we can drop in there with some imagery that reflects those particular posts, and go to the read mores and pages to see that. And you have a transition image here, which I like. This is cool, actually. There we go. And then down here, this is what's called the footer area. We can add some information and content in here. Let's talk about that, because we can put any kind of content you want in here. We could have links to cities, or links to rentals, links to properties between 300,000 and 400,000, whatever you want. Properties between 500,000 to 600,000, condo properties, land and lots, whatever you want to put in here. So that gives a nice looking clean theme. Let's go ahead and go over here. Let's take a look at some of these. You have a list view, then you have a grid view, full view for listings. So let's say on the grid view, standard, with sidebar, without sidebar, full width. We go to the full width one, for example. You'll see that it's pulling in, and you can see how it looks like that. Now we can take this particular look you have right here, the full width view of properties, and put it on the home page as well. So it makes it nice. Different types of pages, you have your blog pages and your contact pages, the typical things. We could have whatever we want in there. Let's talk about it. If you like this overall theme, the look and style, let's talk about what we can do for you. I have 31 years as a real estate broker in Southern California. I also have 26 and a half years as a mortgage broker. And I have 10 years in web development. And it's another passion of mine, so I like to help agents. I also am I'm an online marketing expert with Google. I am certified with Google. So if you have some questions regarding that, we can do that as well. So I look forward to hearing from you, and you can get a hold of me at ineedawordpresswebsite.com. ineedawordpresswebsite.com. And at the conclusion of this video, you'll see some information where you can get a hold of me as well on what's called outro. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.